Welcome back to Team S TV. Today we are at Gas City Speedway. We got the midget and then we also got the sprint car. They've been talking the whole time, so I haven't been able to do much camera footage, but double USAC show, sprint cars and midgets. It doesn't get much better than that. As always, thanks for watching the channel. It's going to be a short night because I'm going to be driving a lot of the night. So got the cameras on the car and we'll get you out there.
Follow Whitz Racing on Twitter and Instagram.
Whitz Racing Products has all you need to get RC cars dialed in with Hyperglide ceramic bearings and other high-performance products for the competitive RC racer.
It is go time. We're late to go out, but that's okay.
The number 23K of Team S, Thomas Mesereau. Follow him on Team S TV up on YouTube and Simon Racing Matt Westfall Fabrication 23K. Mesereau's opening lap for the 23K 28th quick on a field of 12.515, 12.2.515. Sterling clings onto bump spot for the inversion, 12.250, so 12.288. Brandon Maddox was bumped out. Mesereau goes 26 quick with a 12.314, 12.314.
Well, we did not qualify so hot in this, and I'm not sure why, but everybody's trying their hardest, and it's just, that doesn't always make it the easiest, you know, because we're like 28th quick, we missed the invert. Once again, we're behind again. Hey, Todd, did you bring my mini bike? So it sounds like I chose the wrong line. What's that, mate? It sounds like I chose the wrong line. I don't know. You're the driver. I'm the driver. Yep, I'm the driver. Starting 11th in the B lane. We got our work cut out for us. Little Doobie Brother's gonna help me put my crown upside down. starting 11th. They took 6th. We got to 5th. We got to 4th. And I was about to run over 2nd and 3rd, but I was good on top. And, you know, we kind of got snuck by at the end there, but we're in the show, so that's all that matters. We just got done in sprint car B main. And we were starting 11th, and I didn't even know it. Qualified bad, got a set behind, but whew, I didn't think we were going to make it out of that one, but we did. So that's awesome. You know, that's why they pay me the big bucks. I can't qualify, but I can out